In this tutorial, I'll show you how to translate forms in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Find the form you want to translate and click Edit Form to open it in the Form Builder. At the top of the page, click Settings, then select Show More options to reveal additional settings. Scroll down to the Form Languages section and click Edit. Choose your default language from the Primary Language drop-down. This will be the language your form displays by default. To add more languages, click plus Add Language. Select the language you want from the list and confirm your selection. Repeat this step for any additional languages you'd like to offer. Next, open the Form Warnings tab to customize translated text for validation messages, error messages, and button labels so users have a fully localized experience. Once you've finished your changes, save the form. Visitors will now be able to use your form in the languages you've added. That's how to translate forms in Jotform. Thanks for watching.